Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of video editing and show you how to crop your videos in Capcut. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. First, make sure you have Capcut open on your PC. To get started, we need to bring our video clip into Capcut. Go ahead and import your video. Step 2. Once your video is imported, place it in the timeline down below. This will be where we make our cropping adjustments. Now, ensure that your video clip is selected. You can do this by left-clicking on it. You'll see a white border around it when it's selected. Step 3. To access the crop tool, see above the video and you'll find the crop option. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Inside the crop tool, you will see free option. Click on it and you'll see a few options. We recommend selecting 16:9 to maintain the aspect ratio. If you're working with a vertical video, you can choose 9:16. In the crop tool, you'll see a preview of your video. You can now adjust the cropping rectangle by dragging its corners or edges. Once you're happy with the crop, hit the Confirm button. Capcut will adjust the size and zoom in on your selected portion. To see how your cropped video looks, click on the Play button. Make sure everything is just the way you want it. Step 4. The final step is to export your video. Click on the Export button, choose your export settings, such as format, resolution, and quality, and then click Export to save your cropped video. And that's it, folks. You successfully learned how to crop a video using Capcut on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Capcut tutorials and other video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.